I will show you how to get the best action thriller experience of your life. Meet Levon Cade, a man with a past he's trying to forget. Levon Cade, played by the one and only Jason Statham, has swapped his commando days for a peaceful life as a construction worker. But when his boss's daughter Jenny is kidnapped by human traffickers, he's dragged back into a world of chaos and danger. Levon's quest to save Jenny plunges him into a dark web of corruption and human trafficking, revealing a conspiracy that could shatter his new life. With every punch and every bullet, he's not just fighting for Jenny, he's battling for his redemption. Think Taken, John Wick and Equalizer all rolled into one explosive package. But this time, it's personal. Statham's portrayal of Cade isn't just about brawn, it's about heart, grit, and the lengths a father will go to protect his family. Directed by David Ayer and co-written by Sylvester Stallone, A Working Man packs a punch with an emotional depth that hits just as hard as the action. Featuring a stellar cast, including David Harbour and Michael Peña, this is one film you won't want to miss. Mark your calendars for March 28, 2025. Get ready to see Jason Statham like never before in A Working Man. Human traffickers beware. This working man is on a mission, and failure is not an option. Don't just watch the action. Feel it. See you at the movies.